So extremely highly placed sources who have been witness to this are telling us that the Russian president, Vladimir Putin, who's on an India visit, is not taking to the pollution very kindly. In fact, he's really battling the deadly pollution. He's in a huge discomfort. He's constantly coughing. He's not taking to it very kindly. I mean, if this is not global embarrassment, then what is? And the question that one would want to ask the Indian Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, is battling pollution is certainly not your priority. You don't care whether small children and the elderly are battling it and they're actually coughing, they're bearing the consequences of this deadly pollution. But could we not have been spared this global embarrassment before the head of a state? Is this what you have brought India to global shame? I mean, at what stage will you set your priorities right? That's the question.